Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, nah, trip, oh, flick that.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another of my videos. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this very beautiful mohawk, half up, half down, afro, whatever you want to call this. It's just a beautiful hairstyle, so you can give it any name you want to call it, but yeah, I'm going to call it afro or mohawk hairstyle. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this. It's very simple actually, it's not hard at all. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and sectioned out some hair in front, like from ear to ear. So yeah, we are going to work with that much later on, but for now I'm going to go ahead and cornrow down and get it out of the way. And yeah, before I did this hairstyle, I actually had my hair in braids, so I just took them out. And as you guys can see, I went ahead and sprayed some leave-in, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and now cornrow the back of my hair. Now you don't have to cornrow at all. Even if you want to twist, if you know how to twist, just go ahead and twist. If you know how to braid, go ahead and braid. You don't need to cornrow. Cornrow is just easier for me, it's faster, so I always prefer to do cornrow. But with this hairstyle, trust me, you can do anything you can do. Like even if you know how to twist or cornrow, just go ahead and do it. Just like the last hairstyle that I did, I told you guys it's just exactly the same thing. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp, because whatever hairstyle you do, you want to make sure that you're always must keep your scalp moisturized. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to do that, and after that I'm going to go ahead and put this net thing on top. I've already used this in my last video, and I also explained to you guys why I was using that net. So this net is one of those nets that you use for your like crochet wigs. I love to use it on my hair when I'm doing like crochet hairstyle like this, because you know what, first and foremost, I only have like 5 cornrows, so that is going to make my crochet very scanty, right? So yeah, it's going to help me to have enough space to do my crochet, if that makes sense. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. I got it from my local beauty supply store. This is the second time I'm using this brand, Rasta Free, I think that's what it's called. And this one, I'm not even sure what the name of this hair is called, but I think it's called Wakiki Call. Yeah, if it's different, I'm going to put it in the comment section below. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and crochet this on my hair. I got it in the color 1B from my local beauty supply store for I think about $10, $9.99. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is going to go ahead and crochet this on my hair. You guys, it's just crochet. You guys already know how this goes, so yeah, so just go ahead and crochet that. So when I was doing this, I realized that I did not really like the curls like that. So what I did was I went ahead and separated the hair. Here I wasn't separating the hair, but I realized that when I separate the hair, I like the curls better. So that is what I'm just showing you guys, the difference between the separated ones and the ones that is not separated. So I felt like I like the separated one more than the one that was not separated. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the hair while crocheting the hair onto my whole head until we get to the front of the head, and then I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I'm going to do next. Okay, for now I'm just going to leave you guys to watch, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that subscribe button below, and yeah, thank you so much. So for the back part of this hair, I used 2 packs of this hair. This hair is not a lot in each pack, so yeah, I used 2 packs for the back. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the crochet, and I'll be right back.
Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if I don't. It's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young. I know we're acting stupid. Maybe just a little bit foolish.
Okay guys, so I am almost done with the back section of the hair here. So I went ahead and pushed that crochet cap that I did put on my head a little bit backwards, the same way I did in my last video. That's because I don't want it to show through, you know, if the wind blows my hair or anything, you're not going to be able to see it. So yeah, this is what the back of the hair looks like. I'm going to go ahead and pin this out of the way while we go ahead and work in the front section of the hair now. So I'm going to take it off the braids. For this part, I'm going to be using a little bit of gel, not too much, just a little bit, because I want this hairstyle to last. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply some gels. Don't forget to apply oils to your hair before applying your gels if you don't want to see any flex. I've been saying this, so yeah, don't forget that. So I'm going to just apply a little bit of gel, comb it through, and you know, use this hair tie to, you know, put it into like a bun. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right there. So I did this hairstyle in the night, almost bedtime. So I'm going to leave it to dry. You can, if your hair is not as heavy or as thick as my hair, you can just leave it for like 30 minutes and go ahead and finish up your hairstyle. But because I have very thick hair, it takes a little bit of time for my gels to dry. So I'm going to tie my hair down and just go to bed, and then I'm going to finish this up tomorrow. So yeah, okay guys, so it's the next morning, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish this hairstyle. So this is the third pack of the hair. So what I'm doing, or I'm going to do, is to go ahead and crochet this hair around that little bun that I have there. So I'm going to just keep doing the crochet round and round that bun until I have the desired size that I want, and we are going to go from there. Okay,
So take me on a trip, oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young, I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip now, trip, oh, flick that
okay guys, so like I said, I'm just crocheting the hair around that little bun that I have, and you guys can see that I have it all covered. So for this part, I only use half of the hair in that pack. So next, I'm going to go ahead and use this hair tie to, you know, tie the hair just to cover that bun, if you guys understand what I'm doing there. So I'm tying it like above the bun just to cover it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, shape the hair the way I want it. So I'm going to just try to cut it and shape it to my desired, you know, style, how I feel it fits my face. And yeah, that is all I am going to be doing. And you guys, this is it. This hairstyle is done. Like, we are done. What I'm going to do now is go to the back and just, you know, trim it a little bit, not too much, some of the flyaways, and that is it. I am done. And you guys, this hairstyle is really beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, I got so much compliment with this hairstyle when I wore it out. So yeah, it's really nice. It's a quick protective hairstyle for the summer. So you guys, this summer I'm going to be trying like different hairstyles. So you guys would want to be glued to my channel, like go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, because you don't want to be missing that, okay? So yeah, voila. Oh my goodness, you guys, this hair is so beautiful. I love it. It's a quick protective hairstyle, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.